gotta catch some bait. We're short on bait. So I'm sliding the rigs already out there throwing. Well, I'm trying to get this pole ready. Okay, I just finished getting my pole rigged up. Brent done caught 3.
You see that damn yellow in the foot? That motherfucker was fine.
Yeah, I can see it.
He was biting. Swim.
Oh man.
Got to be little. Good one?
Yep, feel like it. Yep.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's definitely a good one. Get him here. Give me 1, 2 then, damn it. We'll take 2.
Either one. Time I did that, it was gone. I looked up. No.
It won't?
No. Well, no other boat up there but us. Somebody's definitely coming down the river. Dang!
Yeah, I'll bite.
Bro, he took it as soon as they hit the water, literally. I know, he clinked that. Had to. I knew that one was little. That's bull. That's BS, man. And he about took my whole red worm.
I need to get down either. I need to get closer to down there or closer to that grass right there. Oh yeah, I got his blood. Oh motherfucker. Yeah man, come on, let's go closer over there. Or go over there in that cove where we caught him at, where we was catching him at the other day. Yeah, pull that, let's go. These little ones, thank you for your little ones. But we need a big one. Decent size.
Just like that. Oh, you got him? Oh, man. Yeah, you definitely got him. He's tinier than the other 2.
He's a little bit bigger than the other 2.
That too. Ah, you little thief. Oh, that's a decent size one. That one might be him. Come here, buddy. Yes, sir. Good. Yes, sir.
Definitely him.
That's what we like to use for bait right there. Baby.
And bigger.
And bigger.
Way bigger.
Way bigger. He smoked it though. Let me get back over there.
Whatever that is coming down
Probably some wildlife people. No, they ain't wildlife
the road.
people.
Look like Lee Levine.
Yeah, they waved at you.
Yeah, that look like Lee. Nah, he got a Yamaha. Is that a Yamaha?
It looked like it. We got a little something in there. We need about 10 more. Let me put me a fresh bait on here, man. Stick your hand there, you grab your old red noodler. Grab them. I don't know what size hooks these is Brent got, but whatever size they is, they doing pretty good. Grab that little noodler right there. Just thread them right on up the hook. I ain't never caught bait out here. Brent taught me something new. I ain't never caught no dang on bait out of here. You have one?
Yeah, he took it under, but
Didn't take it.
okay. Ain't no big one. He's okay though. He'll make it.
I know we finna catch some big ones. Ain't no mic, we is. I'm gonna have to wear your Mad Cat shirt though. Make sure I edit that out the video. Yeah, I meant to do that.
That's where you need to be, right in there. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Brim. Or brims.
Big.
I tried to told you. Got to be something. You better get one down fishing the wild. One of them. I see one there. Anyway, you throw on that tree right there. Got one?
You know. I don't know. I have no clue. Feel like I was really snagged.
Good God, that's a good one.
Snagged again.
Snag.
Yep.
I catch one. I'm trying to eliminate the down. Go ahead and down be plugging the live well and throwing them in there. Yes, sir.
Grassy Island. You said under the blue chair?
Under the other one.
Woo!
He finna take it. You better get back there. Let him bend it. Let him bend it. Get ready to reel down. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Tighten it up a little bit. Oh. Tighten it up. Just the half. Let him take it. 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 Reel down. Keep reeling. Yes, sir. That's a good one. That is a good one. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
I am.
Huh?
I am.
Take your time. Take your time.
Trying to run at me.
Take your time. He gonna fight when he get right here. Let him fight. Easy, 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 easy. Watch that drag. Watch
That's a nice one.
Come on, come on. Reel down, reel down, reel down. Keep it tight. Let him go. Let him go. Let him
I
go. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go.
I am.
Let him go. Easy, 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 easy. Let him go. Come on, phone. I'm gonna go live. Just let him fight. That's
I am.
Let him fight. Easy, 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 easy. Just hold him. Don't let him get up under the boat. If he go down deep, you can't let the rod go down with him.
I am.
We are live and direct. Hooked up on a good one. He's fighting a little bit. Look at that Mad Cat rod there, baby.
He coming up.
Alright, easy. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Reel down. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Reel down. Easy, easy, easy. Let him go. Let him go. Hey, we got a nice one. We got a nice one. We got a nice one. We don't want to give up either.
At all. Oh, they go to weight.
Easy, 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 easy. Bring him to
Oh,
me.
man.
Bring him to me. Bring him to me. Easy.
I am.
Let him fight.
I am. Let him tire himself out.
Reel down, reel down, reel down. Now bring him up. Bring him up to me. One scoop, one scoop, one scoop, one scoop, one scoop.
Let's go.
Got him.
Boy.
Got him.
Good
Got it.
gracious.
Got him.
Boy.
Got him.
Boy.
PB broke.
What the Yo.
PB broke. Just that fast.
Boy.
PB broke.
That is a pig.
PB broke.
I gotta get in the net with him.
PB broke.
Bro.
PB broke.
That's a pig flathead, boy. Yo. Oh, shit. Yo. I just caught my PB. I know this is my PB for sure. God. Boy. Good hook set.
You done for the rest of the night.
Boy, the hook come right out and he blind in one eye.
Hold on, hold on. Hold on. We're finna get this.
That's a pig right there, Papas. Oh my God. Alright, buddy. Appreciate the fight, big boy.
Hold him, hold him. Let him get right. Move him back and forth. I know.
Look at you. I still caught you. Where you think you were going? You ain't even ready to go. Alright, buddy. I'm finna let you go. My PB flat, baby. That was all worth it.
Yeah.
Catching the